In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to label Gmail emails with n8n. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right into the process. The first thing you want to do is open your n8n dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, and it's the platform that allows you to automate workflows seamlessly. Once you're in, you can either create a new workflow by clicking on Create a New Workflow, or if you already have an existing workflow where you want to incorporate email labeling, you can definitely open that one up too. Next, we need to add the Gmail node. To do this, you'll want to start by adding a trigger step. If you're testing things out, a manual trigger is a great choice. You can simply click the plus icon, which you'll find conveniently placed within the n8n interface. Once you click that, a search bar will pop up and you can type in Gmail. Go ahead and select it from the results that appear. Now that we've added the Gmail node, it's time to configure your actions and credentials. If you already have Gmail credentials set up in n8n, you can simply choose your existing credentials. Otherwise, you'll need to connect a new account. It's a straightforward process, and following the prompts on the screen will guide you through it. With your credentials set, the next step is to set the resource parameter to message. Just a quick note here, while the primary focus is on messages, you can also perform label actions on entire threads or drafts if that's what you need. Now let's get to the operation. We want to set the operation parameter to Add Label. This is where we tell n8n exactly what we want it to do with the emails, specifically which labels to apply. After setting the operation, it's time to map the data. This is a crucial step because you need to provide the required message ID. Typically, this ID is mapped dynamically from a previous trigger node that's fetching incoming emails. So make sure to link it correctly to the data you're working with. Once that's done, you'll also need to specify the label IDs or names you want to attach to the messages. And here's where it gets exciting. After you've configured everything and executed the workflow, n8n will automatically apply the specified labels to any incoming or filtered Gmail messages based on your settings. It's a fantastic way to keep your inbox organized without having to manually sort through emails every single day. Remember that the beauty of using n8n is not just in labeling emails, but also in the endless possibilities of automation it offers. You can connect various services, automate complex workflows, and save yourself a lot of time. So there you have it, your step-by-step guide on how to label Gmail emails with n8n. If you try it out, let us know how it goes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like